First, the top news headlines. 43 killed in massive fire in Delhi's Anaj Mandi. Ex-gratia relief of rupees 10 lakh announced. Cops foil anti-CAB protest rally by women vendors in Imphal. And Manipur Democratic Alliance urges people to trust assurance given by Union Home Minister on CAB. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tavam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A massive fire broke out early morning in Delhi's Anaj Mandi area today, in which at least 43 people have died so far. Several leaders including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, President Ram Nath Kovind expressed their condolences to the families of those who were killed in the fire incident. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today termed the fire incident in Delhi's Anaj Mandi area as extremely horrific. A massive fire swept through a factory in Anaj Mandi area of North Delhi this morning, leaving 43 labourers dead and many others injured. Prime Minister Modi said that the fire in Delhi's Anaj Mandi on Rani Jhansi Road is extremely horrific. He also assured to provide all possible assistance at the site of the tragedy, he added. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal described the incident as tragic and said firemen were doing their best. Offering condolences, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi extended his deepest condolences to the families of those killed and wished for the speedy recovery of those injured. A total of 59 people were inside the factory operating from a residential area when the blaze broke out, according to reports. The fire was reported at 5:22 a.m., following which 30 fire tenders were rushed to the spot. Chaotic scenes were witnessed at the site of the fire incident, with relatives and locals rushing to the area. Distraught relatives tried to locate their family members at various hospitals where the injured and dead were taken. As per preliminary reports, a short circuit is said to be the cause behind the fire. Meanwhile, the Delhi government has ordered a magistral probe into the Anaj Mandi fire incident in Rani Jhansi Road that killed at least 43 people today. The Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government has sought a detailed report within 7 days. Revenue Minister Kailash Gehlot directed District Magistrate Central to conduct an inquiry and submit a report within 7 days. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal visited the incident site to get a first-hand report of the situation and announced an ex-gratia relief of rupees 10 lakh for the families of those who were killed in the tragic incident and a compensation of rupees 1 lakh for those who were injured. In condemnation of the Citizenship Amendment Bill and in solidarity with Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill, Manpack, women vendors of temporary Ima Market number 4 of Imphal Khwairamban Market today observed a one-day cease work and plan to take out an anti-CAB rally on BT Road, which was foiled by a large number of police. An altercation erupted between the women protesters and police at the site. Talking to TOMTV, President of Temporary Market Number 4, Ningombam Ibemhal condemned the act of police.
Akoi India citizen ni hairaga democracy chatpa leibak ni hairaga akoi na karigumba ma khoi bu right lehendri si karigi no ba akoi gi wakat ngakta akoi amata su tabi de hayeng na amma tholakani hangchet nam te wa na amata su loisaloi asom da lam khare yon thokani asom da khare yon to asom da khare bi thokani aduga akoi si do wa ma haiba su tabi roi adu mayam si gi pin da pa mayam do adu gi thawai je porok pok chak ta na ne akoi mayam je hekta sira chu na thoklai ne akoi.
Earlier in the day, a squabble was taken place between cops and women vendors of temporary Ima Market number 4. Ima vendor later tried to force all shops to shut down at Khwairamban Bazaar. Thangmeiban United Club TUC has extended support to the 50-hour Manipur total shutdown called by Manpack to register a fresh protest against Citizenship Bill. Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill (MANPAC) will also join the notice-wide protest by imposing the shutdown from 1 a.m. of December 9 till 3 a.m. of December 11. MANPAC on Saturday announced a series of protests against CAB, which will begin from December 8. Addressing the media at the club office located at Nagamapal Kangjabi ground, TUC President Pratap Sangthem sought everyone's support to the proposed shutdown, saying CAB is a state issue. Pratap urged that people from all walks of life in Thamibans should extend support to the strike.
United Clubsing upon the body now, Hariba MANPAC Konganasi Levaki, a choba issue Obanina, Manipuri, Tungi, Mirongi the Makta, Kalakanda, Tauriba Kongangasida, Sapsana, Madugi, Akwina, Laura Iba Philipta, which Sapsana support Togani, Madu the Fatanu, the Tolabadi, Madu Masamasaki died to Ujagadani, Tawudu Dharma Krama, Magi Tog, the other Tavoshi, the Mother away, Madudi, Atuki, volunteers in the Madu Kontopio. Maduga media sing anayak mayam lakmatam dadi madu koi fire brigade adi siumba lakmatam dadi koi komthokpi.
Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization Nambol, women organizations of Nambol area, women vendors of Nambol Bazaar today form a human chain to protest against the contentious CA bill at Nambol Bazaar today. Slogans like Long Live Manipur, No CAB were raised during the protest. On the other hand, a team of Nambol police secured the area to avoid any untoward incidents. Convener of Manipur Democratic Alliance MDA M. Tombi today urged the people to have trust in the assurance given by Union Home Ministers regarding CAB, stating that MDA along with the people are ready to face any situation if Amit Shah fails to live up to his words. Tombi was addressing pressmen at the Shiv Sena office, Babupara, Imphal. The press meet was also attended by co-convener of MDA, A. Khagendra, recalling the recent meeting between Union Home Minister and Chief Minister and Biren political parties, representatives of MANPAC in Assam House on December 3rd. Tombi said that we must have faith in the assurance given by Amit Shah. Tombi urged for continuation of ongoing anti-CAB protests and assured that MDA and Shiv Sena will go against Amit Shah if he does not give his promise. Tombi also appealed to the people not to call ban on the day of the Manipur visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Japanese counterpart Shinzo Abe.
Magi body language to Ubudadi, I Tazaba Pawi, Maramadana, Manipur Democratic Alliance, some of the Shiv Senagi, Magi the day. Outcome Mamatang, Mana Tori, but Tabagadugi, Paul Lamatang, outcome Mamtang, Naibus to me, Haidana, Aigi, Wakala, the Mayan Kanje, Hypati citizenship amendment, she passed over Kanda, Manipuri, Wahim, the Palaktraba, Wahim, the Kanaratraba, Aduka Karikumbada, Sanagar, Baki passed over Matung the day, Maduki outcome of the Lako the day, Manipur Miang, Mating, Loraga, Lady Bus, Hangsan Miang, Mating, Loraga. I should tell him to Tabado, Sana, I quite Miang, I quite Tenagani.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, Chief Minister and Biren attends Gita Jayanti observance.
Your favorite satellite channel Times of Manipur TOMTV is now on Airtel Digital TV on channel number 646.
Baldev, a premier study circle, holiday special, day camp, class 1 to 8 starting 11 December 2019, timing 11 am to 2:30 pm. Foundation course for class 9 and 10, subjects Science, Social Science and Mathematics, starting 16 December 2019. Registration on or before 10th December 2019. Van service available. Maximum 20 students per class for class 9 and 10. For more details, please visit Baldev, Uripok Khoisnam Lekai, Imphal.
Ano Wamadi Nungaipo, Government Gitabama Soina Pangbayargan. ICS coaching center na 100% job Pangnabagi Damakta guarantee Pedro Lali. India Gioina, Saka Gitaba fighting Masing and Fangaleva, ICS coaching center in Falasan. ICS ki thread over officers singdi, course Amakaki preparation to Viraga, Tungan department singi Haibadi, banking, railway, post office, home, teaching, defense, court, Haibusing as that Tabak line of Pangalagan. ICS ki teaching method na. minute mari nataga manga changadaba question singbu second ahum nataga mari da solve to bangamani Imphal da leriba ICS coaching center da boarding ki khudong chaw ju thamjari for details please contact ICS coaching center Imphal Kasamthong Hodam Lairak
Khurumjari Lamjingba finance na makhal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers 4-wheelers commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment sing ba loan pizari
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phangbiragani
amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano makhal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan lawjari Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pizari
akupa marol gi damakta lengsin birau Lamjingba finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple natragana
Lamjingba finance uripok hawam diwan lekai
Ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro
Traditional Healing Center adungai ipa ipu haktaktagi chanaraklaba maite hidang laying jari iramdamda fangliba manamasing kaya sizinaduna side effect laitana laying jari hakchanggi mari suba saru sayang samba amadi singli lonsinaba khaktanatana hakchang fagatpa ngamdana leiba kaya fagalhan mangamba laying ni ngasi maglengsin birau Traditional Healing Center National Game Village Road Lamfelpad 795004 contact number 9612558587
Welcome back after the break. Srila Sripada Educational Foundation and Cultural Resource Centers today jointly observed Geeta Jayanti at Sripada Bhavan, Ranganiketan Mandap of Sangaipur, Imphal. Addressing the observance function as chief guest, Chief Minister N. Biren observed that degradation of age-old norms and culture is responsible for unwanted incidents happening in our day-to-day life at present. Biren also expressed his deep concern over the Meitei community losing their spirituality, which leads to wrongdoing. He maintained that selfishness is one of the main factors contributing to obstruction of progress. Biren also underlined on the need of following any religion of one's choice with earnestness to bring the state forward.
Adubu ngasagi magi philosophy magi wahi amani khak to ina ningsingaga maduda concentrate taw kan ai mayam da su hai na thau tawne ai adu oige na oige su khan khaluno nangi taw da thau da chumna salu isona pirpane se aigi advice ne mayam puna mak kaim da kalak piruno phang gi su kalak piruno sen gi su kalak piruno kai mata kalak piruno do your duty nangi na thau se tong serious oina taw da mingonda Migi patana bukan gano, migi mangan na basin gano, mingon na kai betul. Sigi anihong kakitro kan nangina thau to ba. So ida na mi se adum ngan bani so na phampi bani.
A one-day farmers convention on the theme Impact of Climate Change, Sustainable Solution and Food Sovereignty was held today at Manipur Dramatic Union Hall, Yai School, Imphal. The event was organized by Irabot Foundation, Manipur. President of Irabot Foundation, Manipur, T.H. Azid, Chief Conservator of Forestry, T.H. Mohinder Pratap, Associate Professor of Economics Department, Manipur University, Dr. Chinglian Maisnam, Social Scientist, Dr. Dhanabilaisram, Joint Director of Animal Husbandry, Dr. C.H. Nandakishore, and Agronomist of Agriculture Department, L. Sanatuma participated in the convention. Deputy Director of Environment and Ecology, Dr. T. Brajakumar, opined that people are responsible for causing drought-like situations in Manipur, where rainfall is received for 6 months in a year. He expressed displeasure over natural environment disturbances given by people for their selfish motives. Talking further, Brajakumar underlined every individual's initiative to make Manipur a self-dependent state in every aspect.
Can tap room to the land. Quite long. You sing the BB by that, since I want to die, I don't sing the hour. Karawan, open one. Singing post the young Kanawam days. But the singing cycle, see, must have legendary person second.
On the other hand, Chief Conservator of Forest T.H. Aziz said that Irabot Foundation Manipur has been working hard for making the state self-dependent on food items. He also expressed concern over climate change. He added, the experts attending the convention will help in coming up with solutions to this issue.
Akoina waste mayam huntok matamda waste singsi akoina ngasagi tumbangamba waste ama tumbangamba waste ama hadi plastic kumba glass kumba youth kumba ꯂꯩꯕꯤ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛꯁꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯨꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯍꯨꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯇꯨꯝꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯃꯒ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯀooperation ꯄꯤꯅꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯃꯥꯖ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯊꯣꯛ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗ ꯋꯥꯠꯇꯕ ꯃꯤꯈꯥ ꯄꯣꯟꯗꯕ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯊꯛꯄꯗ ꯃꯤꯈꯥ ꯄꯣꯟꯗꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯅꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ
MLA of Pathway constituency A.K. Mirabai today said that she will present the people of Pathway constituency with a solar plant of small megawatt which lasts up to 25 years. Mirabai was speaking at a gift distribution function at Mayaikoibi. It was jointly organized by Widows and Orphan Resource Development Trust and Pakhangba Cultural Club. She cited that early marriage, unemployment and drug abuse are some of the main reasons for increase in the rate of widows in the state.
Asugumlaba maraibak thiyoraba widows ki masing se achuk ki matik wang masi bato karamaina karai dagi lakpano haibase koi munna khangdokpagi tangai phadaba layeba isa sing se tungi generation gi yengle haraga makoi bu nesha dagi lapthokna bagi damakta achauba aikoina plan ama tawba changi haibase masibang ne koina thamningi ba.
Green Pyramid Coaching Center felicitated the winners of first state level mega test examination 2019 today during a function held at the campus of Modern High School, Ghari, Imphal. The competition was held from October 5th to 27. Speaking at the occasion, lecturer of Johnson High Secondary School, Dr. L. Ritendro underlined the importance of students to drop thinking solely on getting high marks during their examinations, but to think good for the society. Dr. Ritendra also expressed concern over parents and guardians sending their children to coaching classes round the clock, as it will affect the overall creativity of students.
Yamna Papa, a school the do the Gidi, Yatoina, Natalak, Ragasu, watching Center to Salu, the King, the first position Europa, at the position holder Europa, Mayam Yogi, the Benate, going a sick Habatas down to media, the man can be to Lari Tambatamda, I get to the future Kalaga, and Nuina Boina Tambu. Sagi white collar job Panganaba, the doctor engineer, where they at the highway, Wakan to the Tado Piraga, Sagi, like Tambase, Lumaina Batambani, Highway Wakan do, Madu idea, opinion, suggestion, high no, I say, Tamaga.
At this state level mega test examination 2019 conducted for class 10 students, Lanchenba Thokchom and Charlton Yumnam of St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Imphal and Aristo Oinam of Heritage Convent, Uripok, Imphal won the first, second and third prizes respectively. Monitoring Cell of College Election felicitated the winners of the college election at Ima Kuntokhanbe Thamiban today. The college election was held on November 8. Speaking at the function, convener of the monitoring cell, K.H. Serajuddin, said that the monitoring cell was open in every college to stop illegal mode of campaigning during the election. Serajuddin expressed gratitude to the students, principals and RO for their contributions in making the election successful.
The atmosphere da ohongba mayam ama lai masigumba sing mayam ase koina makoibu taram nu oga masigumba mayam masigi khunai asida chokhatpa khunai ama purakna bohona ba lamdam masibu tangdu leitana education the free education free zone haiba dugi pandam da makoi asiba koina message pijagadori ni aduga makoina tawgada thabuk sing asida mapung phana dak union pugador sing jina mapung phana puba ngambagi thauna adusu ishorna moi de pina boisano election asi pangtokna bohona bada chawba thodang lokiba aro amadi principal sing mairoi sing na tangdu leitana election asi pangthokibagi damak monitoring shen gi makai dagi shu amu hanna makoi bu thagatpa amadi taram nu okpa du phungdokchari.
A team of Imphalis narcotics arrested a bootlegger along with 20 cases of Indian-made foreign liquor worth around ₹5 lakh. The arrested has been identified as 28-year-old Thanglenman Hokep, son of Lalchon Hokep of Kai Mai under Tamenglong district. As per police reports, on receiving a reliable information that a truck laden with illegal liquor was heading from Jiribam, a team of Imphalis narcotics personnel under the supervision of its nodal officer, Additional Superintendent of Police Operations T.H. Krishnatombi conducted frisking and checking along the highway, during which the bootlegger was caught along with the items. Well, let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
India gi ahanba amsung anisuba IBBF Fitness Miss India contest ta anira gold loduna Manipur gi mingsat purakrabi Joyceni Devi gi instruction makhada hangdok seroi Valentina Fitness Center.
Nupi khaktagi oiba nupaga punna sanaminabagi nuaitaba koiba amata leiroidaba gymni. Valentina Fitness, Kaisampa Junction, opposite Churajampur Parking. Mafam asida Zumba Gym, Cardio na chingbagi sanaba khudongchaba su phangbigani. Ayuk pung 5 dagina numidang pung 9 phauba sanaba phangbaga loinana akopa marol gidamak Valentina Fitness, Kaisampa Junction dagi khangbiba yagani. Lengsing birau nupi khaktagi oiba gym Valentina Fitness, Kaisampa Junction, opposite Churajampur Parking. Telephone number 9612058028.
Admission open. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakatel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features: mock test, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changnaina coaching tohanba.
Mama paga chamanana warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football thangta.
Mamang da 12th exam gi topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, doubt clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangwaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 6009445552.
Welcome back. Keeping in view of frequent bomb blast incidents witnessing in different parts of Imphal city in the past few days, the police department is taking up additional security measures to avert further untoward incidents. As a part of the step, under the guidance of Additional Superintendent of Police Imphal West Operations Amarjit Lamabam, a team of Imphal West Police Commando conducted a house-to-house search operation at Ningombam, Awanglekai, which falls under the jurisdiction of Singzame Police Station this morning. Reportedly, altogether 170 residents of 60 houses in the area were verified. However, no one was picked up. Under the sponsorship of Managing Director of RK Fortune Developers Private Limited, RK Rameshwar Singh, a free coaching class for the students appearing in HSLC examination 2020 was kicked off today at Malika Standard English High School, Changangai, Imphal West, under the theme Education for All. The coaching is held for the students in Patsoi constituency. A one-day training program on beekeeping was jointly conducted by Friendly Environmental Warriors FEW Jiribam and the New Incarnation IRCA Kalinagar at the auditorium of IRCA at Kalinagar Jiribam district. Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited MFICL Vice Chairman cum FEW Chief Advisor K. Suraj Kumar, IRCA Project Coordinator S. Jiten Singh, FEW Jiribam President K. Puna Singh, State Awardee H. Rajan Kumar Singh were among the people who were present during the program. Talking at the event, K. Suraj Kumar said that the training program will help in improving the economy of Jiribam to some extent through apiculture. He further assured to sponsor bee boxes to interested individuals in the district.
Financial assistance currently Tauraga, Equi Labor, Naharo Singi, Yumda, Yandroga Kuipo, Anita home for one Manga, Womanunda, Hamnabagi Plando, technical expert Tanner, even told you again.
And I see that how Humari, Kama, Anita Ramada, Lady Portugal, Matanda, Lapo, James to me. A quick James, I will James, Lumi Mahana, and see possibilities hoping.
On the other hand, S. Jiten Singh said the training program will immensely benefit every trainee. He added IRCA will organize such vocational programs in future too. Rongmei Naga Baptist Center Church Imphal RNBA CCI today celebrated the joyous occasion of Advent Christmas 2019 at RNBA CCI Langol Tarung Imphal. Hundreds of people from different places attended the celebration. Gospel sermon on Christmas by church pastor, Christmas carol by church choirs, church deacons and youth department added amusement to the festivity. The age-old annual ritual of offering feast to Ibudau Thangzing was held today at the sacred shrine of Ibudau Thangzing located at Moirang of Bisnupur district. To be mentioned, the occasion is observed every year in the Poinu month of Manipuri lunar calendar, during which local farmers offer rice, vegetables and other produce from their fields to the deity and seek blessings for well-being of the masses. Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, 43 Assam Rifles More organized a friendly volleyball match at the Indo-Myanmar border village of Holen Phai yesterday. The match was kicked off by Brigadier Sunil Sarion of 26th Sector. The friendly match was also attended by 43 Assam Rifles Commandant Sumit Sood and Holen Phai village chief Lal Khulun Hoke. Holen Phai FC was the winner of the volleyball match. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. 43 killed in massive fire in Delhi's Anaj Mandi. Ex gratia relief of rupees 10 lakh announced. Cops foil anti-CAB protest rally by women vendors in Imphal. And Manipur Democratic Alliance urges people to trust assurance given by Union Home Minister on CAB. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.